What's going on, everyone? We are back in the kitchen and we are making something nice and comforting. We'll have some macaroni and cheese as well as some sauteed pork chops and some Brussels sprouts. If you do not eat pork, you can interchange the pork chops for chicken breast. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is start off with my diced cheese grater. Really, it's just a grater or a zester, but I'm using it for shredding this cheese. You can get a discount by going to plussizeinchicago.com/dice. You'll get 20% off. I'll have that link in my video description. And what you want to do is start off by boiling some water and adding some elbow macaroni as well as some chicken bouillon. You're going to boil that for 7 minutes. The next thing you're going to do is get your cheese sauce together. So you're going to have your butter, your flour, and then after you stir it up and let that simmer a little bit and get thickened, you're going to add in some milk and some heavy whipping cream, as well as 3 cups of cheddar cheese, as you saw that I had shredded. The next thing you want to do is stir that and make sure that it's melting really well. You're going to be heating this like on a medium-low heat so that you're not burning the milk. Next, you're going to add some salt and pepper and then add in your pasta noodles. That chicken bouillon has salt in it, so you don't need to over season this macaroni. Once you get all the elbow macaroni in there, you're going to stir it up really well and you're going to get your casserole dish together. Now with the casserole dish, I did not add any butter to it because I already have that inside the macaroni cheese sauce. So you're gonna layer it by adding some cheese in between there and then adding some cheese on top. You're gonna bake this at 415 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, or at least until the top is brown. And you can top this with some paprika, that's optional. Now with the pork chops, I'm adding those seasonings on there. First, of course, adding some olive oil, some seasoning, salt, thyme, some Goya, some chili powder, and you're going to simmer the pork chops on each side for about 7 minutes on medium heat. And once they're done, you can top them with some veggies. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is making my Brussels sprouts. So I have some butter and some minced garlic, and I'm going to add some Slap Your Mama seasoning to the Brussels sprouts. And I'm just gonna let that simmer for about 12 minutes before adding some Parmesan cheese on here. And if you want to, you can top this also with some crushed red pepper flakes, and that just gives it a little more kick. So yeah, folks, that's what's on the menu today. Some nice pork chops, some macaroni and cheese, as well as some Brussels sprouts. I hope this meal gives you a little inspiration for your next family dinner or weeknight meal. So friends, I hope you like what I cooked in the kitchen today. If you are a follower of any of my accounts, thank you so much for coming back. If you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who subscribed to my channel or you're following me on those social media platforms. If you are new here, my name is Angela and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.